For one, me being me, I never thought in life that I would ever have a nice, fun, sometimes fucked up job, but that's my job. I got to do everything. Like, it's a slow like night to night, but I like we open now, so I just can't like go in the women's restroom. Like, people do fucked up shit like break shit, steal stuff, pull down TVs, try to sneak in beer, walk in the parking lot drinking beer, try to start shit with everybody all the time. Most people that start shit, they pussy and they don't want to do shit no way. Um, People start shit and then come tell me like the other person started it. Yeah, it'd be a lot of, it's a lot of percentage, like over 80, 85% of hot females that come in here. They come in here smelling good and stuff. But if I could show you how the restroom look at 2:15 when we get everybody out of here, they break the toilet, leave maxi pads and shit all on the floor. They break beer bottles and shit. They break the whole toilet. They flood the restroom like they're in fucking prison. That's what people do when they're in fucking prison. That's do stupid ass shit like that. That's everything. I done seen the whole motherfucking dumpster on fire in the alley. That's crazy shit, man. That's what I've and at first I just had to get used to people looking at me upside my head. I just got used to it after a while. I used to bite my tongue and like far as like somebody trying to be funny, or it's a group of females right here and I'm just doing my job trying to get the cuffs and shit, and they looking at me like I got horse shit all over my face. Or like I'm a type of dude that's in here trying to bomb off everybody old drinks and shit, because I know people that do that. But that's basically what I've learned from working here.